What's up guys, today we're back at it with another video, but today will be a little different video. Today I'm gonna be doing a vlog, so if you guys enjoy these vlogs, just comment down below, vlog. I haven't done a vlog in the last 2 years, so I might be a little rusty, but hopefully it'll be a good vlog, so like this video if you can, guys. Alright guys, so we took a quick pit stop at the border station, so let's go see what they got in there. They got the sickest things here, guys. It's really cool, especially this right here. If you guys want the best barbecue, come here for this. You got the best barbecue. We're done taking our breaks, so catch you when we get at the hotel. What floor are we on?
99 too.
How many floors is there?
That's 212. That's 212. Oh, 211 right here.
211's right there.
Okay. Oh, you good here.
Hit that.
Yeah, it looks like a
Imagine some freaking ghost lights.
Dad.
That would have been so horrible. He dropped his wallet.
Where's that? Where at?
It's actually a pretty nice little hotel.
I do. We just jumped down.
It's cheap right there. Cool. It's pretty. That's a big drum.
But, Mommy, let's go.
Tell Daddy.
Mommy, Daddy, Sissy. Can we go?
That's creepy.
No, I can't do that.
That's really creepy. Alright guys, so we arrived to our hotel, and now we're gonna jump in the pool for a little bit. Guys, so we just finished in the pool, so now let's go eat dinner. Feels pretty up here. Waiting for the sunset. Walked in, now we about to enjoy her not coming back in. Mom, Dad need you. Yeah, you ain't coming back in now. Bye. Alright. Can't do. What's the password?
Same thing.
What are you doing? pretty crazy around here. Guys, so we stopped at Azteca. We're always eating at Azteca, it seems like. But let's go eat, guys. I wish we could stay in there tonight. Out here looking for donuts right now, just for pick up for breakfast. Sorry guys, we just got done eating breakfast, but we're about to leave in an hour, so we're getting ready to leave. We're gonna go to Corolla Beach next, so let's go. I'm gonna start packing everything up. Just in case you want to see what the hotel looks like, got this right here. It's a pretty small hotel, but it's nice. Got a microwave, fridge, coffee safe, doorway right here. Nice TV, some TV stands, 2 beds, and this is what it looks like. And the view out here of the pool. That's what we don't tell.
Out here by 10:56. You got 3, baby? Ready, baby?
This is legit the smallest Walmart I've seen in my life. It's not even really that big. But guys, we're gonna go shopping real fast for some stuff. So let's go. trucks out here. Jeepville right here. Play in the water for a little bit. Alright guys, back home. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, comment down vlog and like this video if you guys want to see more vlogs. But if you guys want to subscribe because we got more stuff coming to this channel. So until next time, peace.